Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to empty the trash on your iPhone. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, make sure you're on the main browse screen. If you're not, just tap the folder icon in the bottom left corner. Now, look for the folder called Recently Deleted. This is basically your trash. Tap on it, and you'll see all the files you've recently deleted. To empty the trash, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Select. Now tap on the files you want to remove permanently, or tap Select All if you want to delete everything. After that, tap Delete. You'll see a message asking you to confirm that these files will be permanently deleted. Just tap Delete again to confirm, and that's it. Your trash is now completely emptied. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.